This is the ride where the Barney trains in idea came from. This is Big Bird Express. We'll be filming another one tomorrow, by the way, did you know?
What's that?
You know, it's £1. Let me try.
Going up.
Fail. Of course it wouldn't take that, I knew it.
It's an old one.
Here's Big Bird.
I'm gonna go, you know. You didn't go last time, though.
A for alphabet. Can you say it with Big Bird?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
A for alphabet. Can you say it with Big Bird?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
2. Tickets.
Tickets, please. Tickets, please.
B is for Big Bird.
Hi, everybody. It's me, Big Bird.
C is for choo-choo, the sound of this train. 1. Whistle. 2. Tickets.
Tickets, please. Tickets, please.
2. Tickets.
Tickets, please. Tickets, please.
3. Bell. S is for steam. 1. Whistle. C is for choo-choo, the sound of this train. B is for Big Bird.
Hi, everybody.
Have another ride.
That was the Big Bird Kiddie ride by Fun2Learn.